Well students, topic of the video is multiple angle. In last 3 videos on this topic we already discussed one formula and other 2 sums. So here we discuss another more sum. Find the value of 1 by sin 10 minus root 3 cos 10. 1 by sin 10 minus root 3 cos 10. 10 degree. LCM of these two is sin 10 degree cos 10 degree. So cos 10 degree minus root 3 sin 10 degree. So 2 sin 10 degree into cos 10 degree into 2, numerator denominator both of them is multiplied by 2. Why? Because 2 sin theta cos theta equals sin 2 theta. To convert the formula using multiple angle formula, and within the bracket cos 10 minus root 3 sin 10. So 2 sin 10 cos 10 is sin 20. Now coefficient of cos 10 is 1 and coefficient of sin 10 is root 3. So square root of 1 square plus root 3 square equals to 1 plus 3 equals to 4 root over 4 equals to 2. So another 2 is multiplied in the outside of the bracket and inside of the bracket divided by 2 for adjustment. Each and every time of this kind of sum, we just taken the coefficient of cos 10 and coefficient of sin 10, then by using this kind of square root we get the term, then the divided by that term and multiplied by that term. So 4 1 by 2 can be written as cos 60 degree and cos 10 degree. If this one is cos, then this one we have to use sin. So sin 60 sin 10 by sin 20. So cos A cos B minus sin A sin B, formula of cos A plus B. So we can write cos 60 plus 10 by sin 20. 4 cos 70 degree by sin 20 degree. Cos 70 can be written as cos 90 minus 20. Why we write cos 70 equals cos 90 minus 20? Because we have to convert this cos angle to sin for cancellation, and cos 70 plus 20 equal to 90. So we can write 70 equals to 90 minus 20. So cos 90 minus theta equals to cos theta equal to sin theta. Sorry, cos 90 minus theta equal to sin theta. So 4 sin 20 by sin 20. By cancellation numerator denominator we get 4. This is our final answer. So the next video on this topic we discuss few more sums.